Hello and welcome to the Excel training sessions by IndyTest. This session is about using the CountA function in Excel. Now, in a previous session on the count function, we have seen that the count function is applicable only on numeric values when we are counting only the numeric values in our tables. But the CountA function is used to tackle such kind of situations in which you could have a numeric and text values both in your table. Now, beginning with the value from our previous session of count function, we can see that if I were to use the count function on the range A3 to A22, that is this range, the total number of numeric values that lie between in this range is 20. Now let's see what does the CountA function give us as the result. So go on to the E4 cell using the CountA function, open bracket, then again go to the range involved over here, and it gives me an answer of 20. Now the interpretation of this result is that now in entirety between the A3 and the A22 range there are 20 valid values existing over here. Mind it, I said valid values. By valid values I mean text values also and number values also. This behavior is in quite contrast to the count function, in which the value of 20 would mean that there are 20 numeric values in the range on which I have applied the count function. Now let's just change the scenario. Let us change the value of one of the numbers to a text value. Now you can see that the count function changes its behavior. From 20 it goes on to 19 in number. This shows that there are 19 valid numeric values in the range which I have selected for using the count function. But you can see that the CountA function does not change its result. It still remains 20. This shows that there are 20 valid values in the range which I have selected. By valid values, again, it means text values and numeric values both. You can memorize the CountA function by thinking that CountA function is count all function. That is, it counts all of the values in which on the range on which you are applying it. However, there is one similarity between CountA and the count function, that is its consideration of the blank values. So if we were to go on to one number, delete it, now we have one blank value over here. You can see that the count all function also decreases in number. From 20 it goes on to 19, indicating that now there are only 19 valid values from the range A3 to A22, and it is definitely ignoring the missing values over here. So this is the contrasting difference between count and the CountA function. Thank you for watching.